G'day, here's a little parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's been wetted and the white is the reflection of the light. Rules in millimetres. Okay, I've zoomed into there a little bit for you. Just go through the pieces. Faces all round. That's probably the nicest face. So you get to cut that off, you're going to sacrifice a little bit of that one, a little bit of that. This piece, blue waves. Peters off a bit this end, but that doesn't matter. By the time you get back to there where it drops quite sharply, you end up with a big piece. This piece is basically what you can see, triangle sort of piece there, little face on the end, pinks and greens through here, might clean up a bit more. This piece is just a little potch and colour blue, that might grind off, it's concave. This will grind off through here to reveal a bit more of these creamy lines with a bit of purple mixed in. That's the other end there. This is basically just dome that the way it is. Looks like a bit like a dragon. His head up there. Oh, sorry, you can't see. There's its head, leg, body going back that way. This large piece. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers. Good practice material.